Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while, but things has changed. Anyway, I am not going to be a professional YouTuber, but I just want to share my new hobby, which is dolls. I think I have 12 right now, and I have 2 more that just came. They just arrived. So I bought the new Always Bratz, Chloe and Yasmin, and the package just arrived and I want to unbox with you guys. So, okay, thank you. Okay, so before I start unboxing, I just want to say there will be a video explaining why I started doing makeup and everything. Because I know it's been a long hiatus, but this is what I do now. I'm a beauty creator, so I do lots of videos on TikTok and everything. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Also, this is my first time ordering from Amazon. This is crazy, and I thought it would take like 3 weeks or so, but it only took how many days? I think about 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks, which is reasonable because I'm all the way in Singapore, so like I'm so sorry I'm struggling right now. Anyway, my cat is here, so if he makes noises and everything, that's why. I'm so excited! Okay. Do you like my makeup today? We have somewhere to go, but before that I figured that I should record this unboxing video since I'm like looking snatched and everything. Oh my god, why is it so hard to open? I mean, I'm using eyebrow tweezers. I'm seeing Yasmin! Oh my god! Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay, so it looks like that. There's no like bubble wrap or anything. Okay. Yeah, Yasmin. She's so pretty. By the way, if you guys want to know, Yasmin is my favorite Bratz doll. So this is her artwork on the side. Gorgeous. This is her. So cute. And then this is how it looks at the back. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, okay? But yeah. Okay, should I? Okay, wait, let me put this aside. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I have 4 Bratz doll, including this 6. Including these 2 6. But yeah, I just started collecting last year, and I'm so happy that they came out with a new play line, because I heard that it's been forever. I put her aside. Chloe. Oh my god. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. By the way, I have the Cult Gaia Bratz, and they are still in the box because I don't know why. I don't have any intention to sell them, but I don't want them to get dirty and dusty, so I kept them in the box. I did change their costume. I did change their outfit and everything, but yeah, I don't know. But I look at that artwork, so gorgeous. And then the bag. Okay, to be honest, I like Chloe more than Yasmin over here, because I don't know, she just looks complete. I heard that these brushes are the original, the OG Bratz brushes. I don't know. You guys can correct me in the comments if you want, because I am still new to this. I've known Bratz since I was really young, just that I didn't have the chance to play with them because I would always hide. I would always hide in the closet to to play with my sister's Barbie dolls. Now I have my own. I have Rainbow High and everything, but today is about Bratz. I'm so happy! 2 more added to the collection. Ooh, my lips kind of matches Yasmin's lips. No, not really. But yeah, oh my god, I just want to bring them along tonight. Okay, I think that's all for today. If you want to see me unbox these cute ladies, you're gonna have to subscribe. You're gonna turn on that notification button. Okay? So, if you wanna see the unboxing video, you can let me know. I will post it the next video. The next video will be it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Ken. You can follow me on all my social media. The link is in the bio. Okay? Thank you. Bye!